share what are your key learnings and the actions you will implement. Yes, Jill?
I think we'll now look more at the positive side of everything, and we've learned a lot after your session how having a negative attitude affects everything in our life. So this will help a lot now to be more positive.
Okay, thank you, Jill. Yes, Priyanka?
First of all, thank you, Kalyani ma'am and Nimesh sir. It was a very informative workshop. And I think the basic thing that we all have taken from the session is that we first need to love ourselves, nurture ourselves, uh, be good to ourselves, and then the rest will follow. So,
Priyanka, this reminded me, all those people who've traveled in a plane would know that the first the first instruction is what? If there's a problem and if the oxygen mask falls down, you are supposed to put the oxygen mask first before you help others. So if you're not going to be physically and mentally strong, how do you expect to help others? It was a very good learning, Priyanka. I really loved what you said.
yes, I think, and as teachers, we need to do that so that we can pass that on to our students as well.
If you love yourself, you love the students.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yes, any more shares? What are some of your key learnings and insights?
Kiran is in the minority, but so Kiran, please voice up. Minorities are today shouting so much, you also need to talk. There's only woman power today. You can talk, it's okay. Kiran, go ahead.
Yes. I would like to thank you, you all, sir. I learned so much in today how to be calm in a difficult situation like this Corona lockdown, and how to be happy in difficult. So thank you for teaching us how to be happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kiran. Yes, Kajal?
I would like to say something. First of all, thank you so much for doing this training session. We really enjoyed it, and sure, all of us have enjoyed a lot because at the comfort of being at our home, we don't really have to physically go to some other place. Traveling is not something we enjoy. Some of the things that you did was purple elephant experiment and the mango experiment, and you explained the concept of dopamine and oxytocin, serotonin, and dopamine. That was really something we know it, but we don't consciously imply in our daily lives. So I think it has come back to a conscious awareness, and we can regularly make use of it in our day-to-day lives and be really good with it. Second is that I learned some of personal things for me is not to take things too personally, because that's not how it is going to be, and that's how you eliminate the negative thinking. And the last is feel the feeling and let it go. I mean, you cannot really do anything about it, so just be in the moment, because we are all locked in the lockdown situation. We can't really do much about it, so just go with the flow.
Thank you.
Again, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Akshata has put it in the post, and I think Nuzhat ma'am said right at the beginning that everybody is very talkative. So I want Akshata, she's not spoken at all right throughout the session. Rather than posting there, Akshata, please switch on your video and share your testimonial live.
Hello,
Akshata?
yes. First of all, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I learned a lot today. So, like I put it over here, to practice happiness, like I'll start with simple things, maybe getting a sunlight, or doing exercises. So I'll start with simple things like that, and then maybe move on to little more complicated things, like do something new every day, learn new things. So this is what I learned from this session.
Thank you, Akshata. Thank you.
Nuzhat Khan ma'am, will you take over now your final thoughts and close it up? And we would like to say that there are a lot of other things that can be done, which we'll discuss with you, and we'll take it up later with you. But if you can wind up and your final thoughts on this.
actually like to express my gratitude to the speaker for having us enlightened on the topic of happiness engineering. I'm sure we haven't yet achieved the degree of engineering, but there is a lot more to learn from you, Kalyani, and this is just not sufficient, I would say.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm still greedy for more, and we will have something like this, not virtually, but physically once the school reopens.
Definitely.
So, because I could feel that there are many things that you wanted to share, and as I spoke to you yesterday, where you wanted to do a lot of activities, which I realized that could have been such a wonder, and it would have created magic had we all been together in a classroom or in a physical classroom and done it. But nevertheless, I think whatever was done today here, we have a lot of takeaways, simple formulas or simple things, as Kajal said, we may know about them, we've read about them, but we never put them to practice. And you made us realize that beauty lies in simplicity, and if we practice these on a daily basis, I think life will become much more happier than what it is now.
Thank you.
Thanking Nimish sir first. He's the one who took the initiative. Had it not been Nimish sir's idea of conducting a session, when I asked him what can be done, he said, first we go with happiness, madam, then we'll see what is to be done later. Thank you so much, Nimish sir. And this has really worked wonders for the entire team. I see a happy face around. All the teachers are hungry, I know, but we'll happily eat today, I can say.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
That would be a great takeaway for us.
It was a wonderful session, and we look forward to many such enlightening sessions in the future and in the years to come. And I hope the company works together with SP Nutan Academy and conducts these sessions with us in the future too.
Thank you
we look
very
forward
much,
to the 23rd session. I shall, as Nimish sir said, have a few words with you on the phone, maybe in the evening. Thank you, dear teachers.
Thank you.
I hope we all have enjoyed this. I can see the smiles on your faces. That speaks volumes about this session today. Okay.